Okay. Queen says that when you buy from the shop, that's where you get your net 5s from. So we're gonna buy a windscreen for Sierra. And oh, you wanna wait? Okay. And so this is for Sierra, and this is for Zyros or Teshar.
Good luck!
Alright, let's go! It's gonna be a weekend. I saw the leg. Oh, golem luck.
Region.
Well, at least I got the feeling a little bit right.
Let's do a proper lightning then.
Come on, Teshar. I need you to join the birdie family right here. Building a bird park. Bird park. Okay, quick, fly over it. Fly over it.
You got the wrong person to fly over.
Okay, fine. Okay, come. Wait.
The bird park.
Get all the birds.
Teshar.
Okay, guys, attract the Teshar out. Okay, come on, Teshar. Come out and join your brethren. Let's go! Come on!
If only it worked.
Oh no!
Okay, it has wings. Well, it has wings. It's a green monster. It's correct.
No, it's not.
But it's not 5-star. This is 3. Conscious, you don't know how to count.
Alright, bye guys.